How to sleep soundly with less snoring. When you snore, you may affect others that you sleep in bed with. Above all, snoring may also indicate a more dangerous underlying health condition. This video will provide you with insights into why you snore, as well as several ways to address your own snoring issues. If you smoke cigarettes, there is a good chance that you also snore. Quitting one can mean quitting the other. Smoking causes the tissues in your throat to become irritated, which in turn causes your throat to swell. Snoring is often caused by swelling within the throat. Smoking causes your throat to swell, which in turn causes you to snore at night. One good way to prevent snoring is to stop smoking now. Try a smoking cessation class, over-the-counter nicotine patches, or a prescription medication from your doctor. You will not only improve your health and prevent lung cancer, but you will sleep better at night. Consult your doctor regarding any prescriptions you may be taking that could be making you snore. There are prescription medicines that have snoring as a side effect. Any medicines that relax muscles, or constrict the airways, can cause snoring. Snoring is caused by restricted airways. Do not consume dairy before going to bed. Dairy products may cause a buildup of mucus in your respiratory system, and this buildup causes snoring. Do not eat ice cream, drink milk, or consume any other dairy products before bed, and this can help you avoid snoring. Now, hopefully, you have a good idea of why you, a relative, or your significant other may be snoring, and what you can do about it. This video addresses some of the most common reasons for snoring, but other more serious problems might exist. If you suspect this, you should seek a medical opinion. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.